Welcome back to Motivational Routine. Today topic, the power of forgiveness in healing relationships, a video that explores the transformative effect of forgiveness. In this video, we will delve into how forgiveness can mend broken relationships and bring about personal growth. Are you ready to embark on a journey of healing and self-discovery? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to explore the concept of forgiveness and its incredible power to heal deep emotional wounds. So, let's dive right in and uncover the secrets of forgiveness. Have you ever felt the weight of anger and resentment holding you back from moving forward in your relationships? Forgiveness has the power to set you free from that burden and create space for healing and renewal. Now, I want you to imagine a life where forgiveness plays a central role in your relationships. Imagine the joy and peace that comes from letting go of grudges and embracing forgiveness. We all know that forgiveness is easier said than done, but trust me, it's worth the effort. Throughout this video, we will provide you with practical tips and guidance on how to cultivate forgiveness in your life. Whether you have been hurt or have hurt others, forgiveness is an essential step towards healing. You may be wondering, why should I forgive someone who has caused me so much pain? Well, forgiveness is not about condoning the actions of others, but rather about freeing yourself from their grip. As we explore the healing power of forgiveness, remember you can come back to this anytime and find valuable insights that will continue to resonate with you. Now, I want to take a moment to connect with you on a deeper level. Think about a relationship in your life that needs healing, and let's focus on that throughout this video. By the end of this video, you will have the tools and knowledge to begin the journey towards forgiveness. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. And now, without further ado, let's dive deep into the power of forgiveness in healing relationships. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey. See you in the next video.